Good evening, everyone.
Good
Good
evening, ma'am.
evening. Yes, my voice is audible?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. Uh, I would request Prasad sir to please share the PPT because I have fluctuating power here, so unable to use my laptop. So please share the slide. Friends, today we'll continue with the strategic management session. In the last anybody can recall what was the concept we were talking about? Two important concepts we were supposed to cover in the last session, but we covered only one, which was that the Toyota case. Anybody can recall?
मैं एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ। अगर मुझे किसी प्रोडक्ट में सारी क्वालिटीज मिल रही है वो भी कम प्राइस में और मतलब मेरा सेटिस्फेक्शन अगर उसमें कंप्लीट हो रहा है तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं उस प्रोडक्ट की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होंगी जहाँ पर मुझे बेहतर सर्विसेज मिल रही है।
Suppose A and B are giving the same services. जैसे मैंने बोला कि BMW भी वही दे रही है, Toyota भी वही दे रही है, तो अलग क्या इसमें?
मैम क्वालिटी विद प्राइस वो जो मार्केट में अपना मेंटेन करके रखते हैं।
गुडविल
एग्जैक्टली जो
goodwill.
उनकी इमेज है
Mm-hmm.
वो अफेक्ट करती है। हम हमेशा ब्रांड के ऊपर जाते हैं तो हम सबसे पहले हर चीज कंपेयर करते हैं। ह्यूमन नेचर
Very
होता है
good.
कि हम अलग अलग देखते हैं कि हमारे पास क्या ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है और उसमें से हम पिकअप करते हैं व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वन।
अभी तुमने एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बोला प्रियंका कि ब्रांड देखते हैं लेकिन इमेज नजर हमारे ध्यान में रहती है. दीज आर वेरी सिनोनिमस टर्म्स यू हैव यूज्ड बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्या अलग होता है कि सपोज दो अलग अलग ब्रांड है लेकिन हमारे दिमाग में जो इमेज बनती है उसका कारण कुछ और रहता है. नॉट ऑलवेज दैट ब्रांड वैल्यू जो क्रिएट होती है देयर इज सम सिग्निफिकेंट कंपोनेंट व्हिच एक्चुअली बिल्ड्स अ ब्रांड. वो क्या होता है? क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट, लेकिन व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एज शी हैज राइटली पॉइंटेड आउट द इमेज, वो बनती है उसके अलग अलग इनोवेटिव तरीके से. The innovative approaches if a particular brand is having, that will stand it out of others, isn't it? अगर कोई भीड़ है तो फेस इन द क्राउड कैसे पता चलता है? Either it would be very decent or it would be very bizarre. Bizarre मतलब weird, isn't it? लेकिन not necessarily always. It should have its own unique characteristics, okay, which will make it different from other. आप लोग हो एक्सेप्शनल आर वेरी वेरी रेयर कि ट्विंस हो, लेकिन आपके जैसे आप एक ही हो यूनिक इस दुनिया में, नहीं है कि?
यस मैम.
अरे बोलो. बोलते हैं कि 7 लोग एक जैसे होते हैं, भी बहुत मुश्किल है आप 7 लोगों का इकट्ठा आमने सामने आना. पिक्चरों में आता होगा लेकिन फिर भी मैं ये आपको उदाहरण दे रही हूँ बिकॉज you'll रिमेम्बर ऑलवेज कि रिसोर्स बेस्ड हम लोग देख रहे थे व्यू, रिसोर्स बेस्ड व्यू. तो टोयोटा केस में हमने देखा कि हाउ इट स्टैंड्स डिफरेंट देन अदर because of its resource, that is based on its lean production system, based on its innovative characteristics that beats the competitors, right? It could have heterogeneous capabilities, it could have heterogeneous resources, multidisciplinary skill sets available, which उनकी systems को बहुत पुख्ता बनाती है, right? तो when you suppose I want to take an example of you as a candidate ready to be launched through placement drive into the market. बहुत आपका खुद का एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ मैं आपको रिसोर्स बेस्ड व्यू आपके इसमें कैसे बताऊंगी? सभी आप लोग जितने के आप एमबीए में अभी सपोज यू आर 20 people in the session, all 20 are good, all 20 are learned, all 20 are doing MBA from Matrix. How I'm going to differentiate you? Then you'll say okay, yeah, speak up.
Skills
हर
and
एक के
experience.
yes, very good. Quality, skills and experience. वो कैसे दिखती है? The way you represent them, isn't it? Okay, and वो आपकी skills, आपका resourcefulness बताती है. Even आपके इसमें suppose I am a teacher, मेरे पास बहुत अच्छा ज्ञान है लेकिन मैं अगर आपके यहाँ डिलीवर नहीं करूंगी वो नॉलेज तो खाक मेरा फायदा टीचर होने का, right? I may be a best person having good knowledge, but if I don't have that ability, not necessarily always that good communication is depicting good quality of knowledge. No, it might be just venting out my bridging the acting as a bridge. But when I say interface, it has to be versatile, it has to solve the purpose. Then I will say that okay, I am a resourceful faculty. Moreover, you are coming from different fields. I need to cater the person who is low at communication as well as the person is good at communication. Communication shouldn't be a barrier in delivery, session delivery. That would be my thinking of a best teacher. Okay, although having the knowledge is a basic, bare essential, right? Okay, for I took example of a teacher. Similarly, as I was talking about you as employee, you should not only have skill set, you cannot say just skill set. I need to say that in today's dynamic world, you need to have multidisciplinary skill sets. You need to be jack of many, isn't it? So that will create you different than the other candidate, having similar qualifications, similar experience, everything similar, लेकिन ये बंदा कुछ अलग है क्योंकि इसके बातों में मुझे कुछ अलग झलक दिखाई दी, उसका कुछ probably हॉबी भी रहेगा, लेकिन वो that will also work. सीवीज में ऐसे ही नहीं लिखते हॉबीज क्या है, it's not a time pass. That helps us understand when I'm going to pick up the candidate in front of me. I know you as a person, I know you as a team member, I come to know about your other interests areas, because you may never know where I'm going to take help of your skills which are unknown to you as well sometimes, isn't it?
Correct,
Let's
ma'am.
move. Yeah. So ये okay, yes, I thought मुझे ये मोबाइल पे दिख नहीं रहा था. Can we go to the next slide please? We will go a little fast now because we have already covered the points. I'll just go through if you don't mind, so that अगर कोई point miss हुआ हो तो यहाँ पे वो cover up होगा. Capabilities of the firm in utilizing the resources have a big impact on how a firm will be able to stand out among other competitors. Competitive advantage arises when a firm has a lower cost structure, products differentiation and niche markets. Okay, niche माने कुछ नया हटके, isn't it? मेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है, that becomes my niche skill, isn't it? Then I can stand out of the other lot. That is niche. Resource-based view also concerns in value creation in order to compete with others. So that is the benefit of research-based view. On the other hand, in order to survive in this competitive world, a firm needs to fully prepare itself to achieve sustainable competitive advantage, which means having a superior performance in a longer term compared to the other rivals. That's how I always keep talking about. Lock your customers, beat your rivals. Means what? You need to understand what are your strong points and use them whenever there is some favorable situation or some unfavorable situation. That is, if it is a favorable situation, encash them. If it is an unfavorable situation, utilize them in the most optimal manner, so that they help you convert the adverse situation ka circumstances into positive things. Okay, reverse the scenarios or reverse the equation, we can say. The rationales of a firm to choose resource-based view as a strategy in developing a firm's strategy are probably due to the culture of the organization, leadership, and entrepreneurship. Please remember, in my first lecture in our resource-based view itself, I mentioned these three things. Okay, मैंने example दिया था metrics का or any educational institutes का. Okay, so basically when we talk about the culture, okay, culture of an organization can make or break a particular project or an organization. Okay, because when we talk about culture, it cannot be visible, it is not visible, it is sensed, it is understood, it is experienced. That is the culture. जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल बताया था कि संस्कार आपके जो होते हैं, XYZ स्टूडेंट के संस्कार उसके बातों में आता है, उसके एग्जाम्पल्स में आता है, उसके स्वभाव से आता है, उसका कैसे आपसे डील करता है वो उससे आता है, वो अनुभव होता है. That is the culture. So corporate culture, when we say, it also talks about the values and the belief systems on which your organization is built on. What are the ethics on which your organization is built on? So basically, organizations are led by leaders. Not all managers are leaders, I would say. Okay, if you would be fortunate if you get a leader in your manager. Okay, obviously all leaders should be good managers. Always remember this. Okay, so apart from entrepreneurship, which all of you are aware, what is an entrepreneur? You have already dealt with this subject earlier in the earlier semester. Who is an entrepreneur?
Who work with
The
the innovative
person who
ideas.
takes the risk.
Combined together, and that is the meaning, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, resource-based view in Toyota case, further, it also concerns in creating value to the customer so that it can boost its position in the marketplace. Okay, I need to project myself, right? Face in the crowd. So our resource-based view helps me. This proves that resource-based view brings advantage to a firm. Both tangible and intangible resources are fully utilized. Capabilities and competencies have also marked their importance in value creation significantly. This also in the first lecture I have talked about what are the tangible resources, what are the intangible resources as well. in R&D and brand positioning are crucial to increase. I think there is some mistake over here in sentence structure, probably that and was not there. In R&D, brand positioning are crucial to increase the customer's perspective, attribution to the product, and favorable impression. What does this mean? I've already explained this, but ये थोड़ा philosophical word इसमें यहाँ पे आया है explanation में. मतलब क्या है? When we talk about locking the customer, we need to understand their customized requirements. Means what? कस्टमर क्या चाहता है, वो आप दे रहे हो क्या? वो दे रहे हो तो उनको बताओ कि आप दे रहे हो, isn't it? इसका मतलब सीधा है, कस्टमर का रिक्वायरमेंट आपने एक प्रोडक्ट में डाला लेकिन उसको पता ही नहीं है कि आपने वो डाला है, तो कैसे अप्रिशिएट करेगा वो, isn't it? You need to say that, you need to reflect that. और वो कैसे रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा? ब्रांड पोजिशनिंग में, isn't it? Customers are willing to pay more for branded products. It involves in the innovative and creativity which allows the product to be more attractive to customers. That is, marketing students may understand it much better. Rather, everyone now in this world understand this. Wrapping करना, और आप लोग सब जानते हो कैसे आप करते हो. Okay, सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल मैं देती हूँ कि पापा को अगर मनाना है किसी बात के लिए तो पूरा उनको बोलते हैं ना, wrapping up in a very sweet and sugary things, covering all your problematic areas and projecting your goodness, good behavior in front of him and all. That is nothing but wrapping up. Okay, so basically you're selling yourself for an idea and you're gaining the whatever benefits you want. But definitely probably वो old wine रहेगी, लेकिन अगर आपने वो उसको अच्छी तरह से ब्रांड किया तो definitely you know what is the meaning I mean to say. Further in next slide. Next slide. Yes. I'm really sorry the font is less, but I've put this purposely so that you get a notes kind of thing in the slide itself. Accordingly, I've devised this slide. These slides are nothing but your notes also. So basically, quickly we'll go through it so that we'll finish this. Toyota of that outperform among other automakers and maintain its competitive advantages over others. It becomes the world's largest automaker. It utilizes resources and capabilities and form its competency that far superior to other competitors. And in the earlier session I have talked about what do you mean by competency. We need to repeat it over here. Anybody can repeat over here what do I meant by competency, or what is the meaning of competence? I gave example of myself. I like to teach, I like to talk with students, so my competency should be somewhat related to communication skill, I feel. Might be, then I could be a good counselor also, a good mentor also. Do I have that competence? If I have, I'll prove that the communication between you and I is enriched with every discussion. Else, no, then I can say that I do not have the right to say that I have that competence. Okay, you need to evaluate that competence in you, the strength in you, that is competence. Should be measured when you go in the corporate world. Based on your competence you will be placed, based on your competence you will be mapped with your skill sets and the job requirement. Based on your competence you will be evaluated, क्योंकि आपके गोल सेट किए जाएंगे based on your competency mapping. Okay, और अगर आपने वो गोल अचीव किए तो आपका अप्रेजल में आप दिवाली मनाओगे. अगर आपने आपके गोल्स अचीव नहीं किए, इसका मतलब है आपका मैपिंग इधर ठीक तरह से नहीं हो पाया, या फिर मैपिंग ठीक तरह से हो गया लेकिन आपको वो अचीव करने में दिक्कत आई, तो आपका दिवाला निकल जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? हेलो,
Yes, ma'am.
यस, ओके, ठीक है. So that was regarding the competence and competency, right? So in the business world as well, as I gave example of employer and employee, or with respect to recruitment and further appraisal, I gave example. Similarly, when we talk about any product capability also, the features of the products are definitely understood, and they are evaluated by the customers, and accordingly वो चलता है या नहीं चलता है in the market. Okay, and that's how the competition exists. Toyota has differentiated itself from other rivals, how, such as General Motors, by its superior quality and productivity, as rightly said, and also which allows it to raise the utility of the product. Toyota brand has built confidence in the customer's perspective and become more convincing. This helps to gain the value creation among the customers. So I can say the experience I get, the value creation it gives me as a Toyota customer. Toyota pioneered a lean production system that can hardly be imitated and assimilated. Okay, so that is the result. Lean production system की वजह से I cannot have the threat. Please remember Porter's 5 force model, उसमें होता है ना कि entrant का threat रहता है. Probably Toyota को वो threat ही नहीं है. Okay, bargaining power high है उसका. कैसे? It does not compromise in the quality, but still offer. It is aware that it has locked the customer. कोई भी नया कंपिटिटर आने दो मार्केट में, I'll beat that. उतना कॉन्फिडेंस है उनको. कैसे? Because they have bonded with their customer that strongly, isn't it? Because they know that उनका प्रोडक्ट का एक हिस्सा ऐसे है कि वो कभी भी कोई इमिटेट नहीं कर सकता, कोई भी वो चुरा नहीं सकता, कोई भी उसको क्लोन नहीं कर सकता, isn't it? That is nothing but imitation. ओके तो उनको वो डर नहीं है, क्योंकि उनको उनका R&D टीम में बहुत विश्वास है कि उनके जैसा प्रोडक्ट कोई और नहीं बना सकता, isn't it? Do you know that ताजमहल बनाने के बाद किसने बनाया ताजमहल, by the way? Hello, good morning. Hello.
मैडम शाहजहां है.
शाहजहां मैम और मुमताज.
अच्छा, हाँ तो वो तो आपको मालूम रहेगा. ओके, उनकी लव स्टोरी. लेकिन उसके पहले पेन स्टोरी मालूम है क्या? उन कारागिरों के हाथ काट दिए थे कि ऐसा कोई दूसरा ताजमहल ना बने. Isn't it? We know that. Isn't it? If you're not aware, then पढ़ लो वो कहानी. बहुत सारी बातें हमको मालूम नहीं है. हिस्ट्री पूरा हटा दिया था, पता नहीं क्यों. Anyways, तो शिवाजी महाराज ऐसे नहीं करते थे. I know I have some little inclination towards Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, but then he used to appreciate. He used to have this resource-based view. Okay, कैसे आप बोल सकते ये? मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया कि दूसरा ताजमहल ना बने इसलिए उनके हाथ काट दिए गए थे. इमिटेशन नहीं हो पाएगा उसका. Isn't it? That was a very painful way. आज के जमाने में ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. तो क्या कर सकते हैं? Train the trainer. Okay, I am giving one example. जैसे शिवाजी महाराज के दिनों में भी वो रहता था. हमारे संस्कृति में वो है. क्या है? गुरु पाठशाला, गुरुकुल सिस्टम. गुरु ने जो ज्ञान दिया है वो बांटो. अगर हम कुछ जैसे गनीमी कावा यूज कर रहे हैं, तो अगर इफ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव माय सूबेदार्स एंड द शिलेदार्स एंड द सेनापतिज ऑल दैट ट्रिक्स एंड share that knowledge, definitely will not have that unique ability. Ganimi Kawa was our strength. It was your USP of Shivaji Maharaj ka Mavalas. Ganimi Kawa. It cannot be imitated. It was unique in their way. Are you following this? If you see the map of India during the Mughal Empire, almost more than half was captured later on by the Maratha kingdom. How was it possible? It was possible only due to Ganimi Kawa, which was unimitable. It was unimitable by them. उनको पता ही नहीं चलता वो कैसे खेला जाता है. उनको पता ही नहीं चला वो कैसे, मतलब हमारे यहाँ बिट्रेयल्स इतने होते थे फिर भी नहीं उनको पॉसिबल हुआ. लेकिन बाद में the history is something different later on, but again betrayal was only the problem with us, nothing else. We had that power, we had that strength, we had that skill set, we had everything actually. Okay, so that was regarding unimitable characteristics of resource based view. Okay, so this system consists of whole range of manufacturing techniques. For example, just in time ho inventory system में, self managing team agile में, या reduce setup times for complex equipments. So ये पूरा manufacturing के setup के लिए भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता था based on resource based view. Okay, actually इसकी वजह से क्या है ना कि resource जो भी है उसका सही तरीके से उपयोग किया जाता है. जैसे not underutilization, not overutilization. Okay, Toyota utilizes high-tech performance features and upscale quality to compete in luxury cars market with a supply chain management and low-cost assembly capabilities by producing Lexus models, that is the luxury models. The pricing advantage also usko mila compared to Mercedes and Benz BMW models that has attracted a lot of customers. Other rivals can hardly imitate them in this low manufacturing cost and differentiated products, that is variety. Toyota also keeps on learning and upgrading their resources and capabilities to stay ahead of imitators. That is the important part. So Toyota's hybrid car in the new market, and that has created new market and value for the consumers. On the other hand, rivals are putting their best efforts to catch up Toyota. Okay, so this is the Toyota case. This I would skip because this is for your self study. One more case study, that is Apple. All of you are aware it's an open secret. Okay, compatibility issue हम बोलते हैं Apple का, लेकिन that is the only thing which is stopping everyone to imitate it, isn't it? आप next slide please. Yes, I'm going to skip this slide because we all are aware about it. Okay, please read it later on. I'll give you this slide. I'll make few small changes regarding the standard format of template of the slides, and then you can read it. So basically, resource based view का ये और एक example है. Okay, Apple has also outperformed itself from other rivals. Okay, you know why? Because every time Apple is considered to be standing out, the most costliest phone. Okay, so there are unique features which sets it different from others. Next slide please. I think this slide I have already dealt with. It has come once more. Okay, we have talked about benefits and pitfall of resource based view. Okay, how it is to be understood as real drivers of your business. Okay, whereas the problem, it may be time consuming. Okay, it recognizes and protects important resources, whereas pitfalls or problems would be sometimes हम इतना ड्रीम करते हैं अच्छी तरह से कि it probably अगर टाइम ठीक तरह से मैनेज नहीं हो पाया तो it may ruin the business. It needs to be managed sensitively and realistically, practically. And last thing is be focused, be able to focus sustainable performance improvements, whereas threat would be core competency may become core rigidity. ये point हमने discuss किया था. मैं ही लीडर हूँ, मैं बहुत साल से यहाँ पे हूँ, मेरा माजिद पूर्व दिशा. ओके, दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. ओके, मैं जो बोलूंगा वही. तो समटाइम्स कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी बिकम्स रिजिडिटी. मेरे पास अगर कुछ स्किल सेट है 5, अगर मैं उसको ही पैम्परिंग करता जाऊं कि मेरे पास ये है, मेरे पास वो है, अगर आप अपग्रेड नहीं कर पाओगे तो इट बिकम्स ऑब्सोलीट ना. लेटर ऑन यू विल गो आउट ऑफ द बिजनेस इफ यू डोंट outsmart, if you don't learn the upcoming skills. Okay, next slide please. Okay, ये skip कीजिए. I will want you all to read this. Next slide please. How much time I have? How much time I have?
9 minutes.
8 minutes I will consider. So if provided we may continue for 5 minutes more. Is it clear everyone? Thankfully light power आ गई है यहाँ पे, तो शायद फ्लक्चुएशन का रेट कम हो अभी. Next slide. Or shall I take up on the laptop? Prasad sir, are you there? Yes, VRIO framework. Basically, we had started. We were supposed to start this rather VRIO framework. It is a short topic. And it is a subset of resource based view. अगर आपको resource based view समझ में आया है तो ये समझने में ज़्यादा time नहीं जाएगा. Yeah. So VRIO is an acronym for 4-question framework of value, rarity, inimitable and organized. ओके, इनइमिटेबिलिटी एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इसमें से बहुत सारे फीचर्स हमने रिसोर्स बेस्ड व्यू में पहले से ही कर रखे हैं। ये फिगर नहीं दिख रही है सर, इसमें से डायग्राम नहीं दिख रहा है, डायग्राम कहाँ गए सब?
मैम
चला
इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम है ना, तो पूरी पीपीटी लोड नहीं हुई है मेरे यहाँ।
ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि मेरे यहाँ अभी पावर आ गया है, तो आई कैन स्विच टू माय लैपटॉप। करूँ कैसे?
ठीक है मैम, फिर क्या करते हैं मैम, अभी हम क्लोज करते हैं मीटिंग, बाद में
हाँ
फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं प्रॉपरली। ठीक,
चलेगा एवरीवन, वी विल, हमारे पास अभी कितने मिनट है? 8 मिनट है, और मुझे 8 या 10 मिनट लगने वाले हैं ये टॉपिक कवर करने के लिए। शैल वी लॉग ऑफ एंड लॉग इन अगेन so that we get that complete 10 minutes? Yes friends,
No problem, ma'am.
Yes, we
everyone,
can.
Yes, ma'am.
almost 25 people are there. I want everyone to be there for next 10 minutes. 5 मिनट ये अपने सेशन के लिए और 5 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा. Please log off and log in again.